Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm talking about how to connect Plus500 to TradingView, a combo that will level up your trading with Plus500's futures and TradingView's killer charts. So first things first, you'll need a Plus500 account that supports TradingView, specifically Plus500 US for futures trading. Head over to us.plus500.com and sign up if you haven't already. It's quick, just follow their prompts, verify your identity, and fund your account with some cash to trade futures like micro, e-mini. After that, make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, you'll need a TradingView account, of course. Go to the tradingview.com. You can start with a free version, but a paid plan unlocks more features if you're serious. Log in and head to the chart section. That's where the connection happens. If you're new, pick a futures market like the S&P 500 to play around with. Now in TradingView, look at the bottom of your chart. You'll see a trading panel tab. Click it and the list of brokers will pop up. Scroll or search for Plus500 US, not the regular Plus500, since only US futures ARM integrates here. Click it to start the linking process. Once you select Plus500 US, a login window appears. Enter your Plus500 US credentials, your email and password from the futures accounts. Hit authorize and TradingView will connect to your Plus500 US profile. You might need to confirm via email or for factor authentication, so keep your phone handy. Time to test it. Pick a futures contract on your chart, say micro, e-mini, NASDAQ. Set your trade size and hit buy G-Tater or sell from the TradingView panel. It will execute through Plus500 US instantly. Check your positions on both TradingView and Plus500 to make sure they match. If something's off, log out and reconnect. It's usually a quick fix. And that's it. You've connected your Plus500 US to TradingView. Now you can chart like a pro and trade futures without jumping between apps. Give us a shot with a small trade first to get the hang of it and let me know how it goes. Like and subscribe for more trading tips. Catch you next time.